Welcome to the Clean Life blog. Today, we've got a game-changing cleaning hack for you: how to make your kitchen cabinets shine like new with just a few simple ingredients. Trust me, you'll be amazed at the results. Our secret weapon for today is a DIY cleaning mixture that's super effective. Here's what you'll need: 2 tablespoons of dishwashing liquid and 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Mix these until you have a smooth paste. Now, add 4 tablespoons of white vinegar and keep stirring. It'll start to foam up, which is a good sign. This foaming action helps break down grease and grime on your cabinets. Next, dip a sponge into this powerful cleaner and clean your kitchen cabinets. You can also use an old toothbrush for those stubborn spots or hard-to-reach areas. Gently scrub the surfaces. You'll be amazed at how easily the grease and dirt come off. Look at that shine! Here's a final pro tip: after cleaning, wipe down the cabinets with a clean, damp cloth to remove any residue. Your kitchen will look brand new in no time. And there you have it, the ultimate kitchen cabinet cleaning hack that's quick, easy, and budget-friendly. Discover more in-depth information on cleanlifeblog.com. If you found this tip helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome cleaning and home improvement hacks. Until next time, happy cleaning!